There's something really special about having something green in the home, a living, growing thing that can add so much energy to your space. Light, humidity, and placement will play a big part in how happy your plants will be around the home. So follow our guide to the right plant in the right room and you won't go wrong. Cacti and succulents absolutely love a sunny windowsill, so they can be grown by absolutely anyone. They're low maintenance, drought tolerant, and make easy to grow houseplants. They're fascinating, highly collectible, available in a range of different colors, shapes, and sizes. They like low moisture, dry air, good drainage, and high temperatures. Too much water can stunt growth, but too little water can cause shrivelling. So keep a close eye on your cacti and give them all the care they need. They're a perfect entry-level houseplant for a sunny window, so why not pick one up today? Weeping fig, or Ficus Benjamina, is a graceful weeping plant with masses of slender, glossy green leaves that are perfect for softening any room. It's part of the ornamental fig family, and it's a plant that's been adorning our homes since Victorian times. However, it's as much favoured now in contemporary homes as it was back then. It's ideal for growing in a well-lit room, such as a living room, away from drafts and direct heat sources like radiators. Once you've found the right place for your weeping fig plant, really try not to move it, as they don't like being moved around. Water very carefully with tepid water just as the soil starts to dry out on the surface, but never let your plants dry out completely. Zamioculus zamifolia makes the perfect houseplant for offices and studies, also known as the ZZ plant. This fleshy, fern-like plant has very glossy leaflets that basically zigzag out from the main stem. It's a distinctly upright plant, so it's great if you want foliage, but you don't want to take up too much space. Avoid overwatering your ZZ plant. Water it on the top of the compost only when it dries out. Water much less during the winter months. Mist the leaves regularly with fresh water to maintain humidity around the plant, and always keep above around 15 Celsius. Each year, repot the plant in fresh soil in the spring. So there's just a few tips for helping you to put the right plant in the right room of your home. I'm very sure that in next to no time, you'll have the happiest, healthiest houseplants in your neighborhood.